Okay, January has asked a question about the self-test, the multiple choice self-test for this week, which in the hard copy of your book is on page 145. And she's asked a question about number 3. And so what I would like to do is I would like to just look at that. The question says, 7 Girl Scouts reported the following individual earnings from their sale of cookies. $17, $23, $13, $15, $12, $19, and $13. In this distribution of individual earnings, the mean is. So the mean, of course, is the average. So if we were going to average this out, we would take our 17 plus 23 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 19 and 13. And if we do this, I believe I did this with a calculator a while ago. I think it is 117. So to find the mean, then we're going to divide 117 by the number that we have, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 117 divided by 7, which is 16. So our mean is going to equal 16. Now, if we want our mode, the mode is the most frequently occurring number. Well, we have 2 13s, so our mode is going to be 13. And then we need our median. And remember, our median is the middle number. So if we were to write these out in order, we would have 12. And then we have 2 13s. It's 13 and 13. And then we have a 15 and a 17 and a 19 and a 23. So the median is going to be the middle number, which when we only have 7 numbers, it's easy to see that our middle number is going to be 15. So the median is 15. And you've probably seen this in your text, but if you have a set of numbers that is not an odd number, in other words, you would have, if you had 8 or you had 9 numbers in a set, then the median is going to fall somewhere in the middle here. So what you do is you take the 2 numbers on each side of that. Let's say we had, for example's sake, I'm going to scoot this over. We had a 23 and then we had a 25. If that was the case, let me erase this, then the 15 would not be the middle number, right? The middle number would be somewhere between 17 and 15. So in that situation, in order to get the median, we would take 17 and 15, add them together, divide by 2, or in this case, we can see it is obviously 16. So if that were the case and we had another number over here, then our median would be 16. And the mean here it is, the mean here in that scenario, and the median would be the same number, and the mode would be, of course, 13. But that's just for the sake of example. That is not our situation. So I'm going to take the 25 off here because we don't have that. And I'm going to take this out. So we do have 7 numbers. And when we have 7 numbers, the median is 15. So, question A says, the mean is blank, the mode, and the median. The mean is 16, so it is not equal to either the mode or the median. It looks to me like the mean is greater than the mode and greater than the median because it is the largest number, 16 versus 13 and 15. So the correct answer would be D, that it is greater than in both cases. Greater than the mode and greater than median. And again, this is on page 145, physical text, which I understand is a little bit different if you've got the online version. Multiple choice self-test question number 3. Hopefully that helps to clarify.